Planning your schedule at Columbia just got easier with our new system at my.colum.edu. Start by logging in from your preferred device, either through a website like google.com or the MyColum app. Once logged in, select the Academics tab, then select Student Schedule under the Academic Record tile. Let's say you were interested in planning classes for a future term, like the spring of 2026. Select this hamburger button. We're going to head to the course catalog to search for classes to plan. In the course catalog, you can search by subject, use the advanced search to filter, or my personal favorite, using the search bar in the top right corner. That's the quickest way to find your class. Let's say you did want to search by department. Click subject search. You can either type the department or scroll. Once you select your department, all available classes will populate. Now, if I didn't want to search by subject or department, I'd click into the search bar and enter the class I was most interested in, like Fashion Design Principles. Once you found a course, click Add Course to Plan. Then next to Term, select your preferred term. In this case, we'll select Spring 2026. Then click the blue Add Course to Plan button. Now, we'll go back to our course plan to see our class added. Select this hamburger button, hover over Academics, select Student Planning, and click Plan and Schedule. Click the right arrow button. Now I can see that Fashion 102 or Fashion Design Principles has been added to my plan. 1 week before registration, you'll be able to assign classes to specific sections or preferred days and times. And during registration week, all you'll need to do is hit register and you're done. Planning is that simple.